In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI to create custom quizzes and test your knowledge on any topic. Let's get started. I'll start by clicking into the search bar and typing a prompt asking for a 5-question multiple-choice quiz about the French Revolution, specifically requesting that it waits for my responses before showing the answers. Once I hit enter, I can watch as Perplexity begins drafting the quiz in a clean, interactive document on the right side of the screen. The first question asks why the Bastille was targeted in 1789, and when I select the option regarding weapons and gunpowder, it instantly confirms my correct answer with a detailed historical breakdown of the event. Moving to the next question about the tennis court oath, I'll select an incorrect option to see how the AI handles mistakes. It provides a thorough explanation of the actual political significance of the oath, helping me understand the nuance of popular sovereignty. On the third question about Robespierre, I'll select the correct option regarding his radical tactics, and the tool provides a comprehensive summary of his role during the Reign of Terror to reinforce my learning. Now, I'll move back to the follow-up box to try a different approach. I'll type a prompt asking the AI to act as a science tutor and quiz me on plate tectonics, one challenging question at a time. A new interactive page is generated, and the first question focuses on the evidence supporting the separation of lithospheric plates. I'll choose the option about magnetic stripes on the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, which the AI confirms is correct while explaining the process of seafloor spreading, making this a powerful way to master complex subjects at my own pace. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.